Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Markets. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 18th to 22nd May 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD on Friday. So as you can see, 2.4% negative move, 45.40.30 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's mark some important. So let's talk about our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bearish candle with a big body or a medium body with a small lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around oversold area around 6 and 11 range, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, we can see a good support and resistance zones are already marked. So currently, we don't need to mark any new levels for this week. A previous week analysis or a previous week levels are very much important, which we have already marked. So currently, we will not do any changes for this week as well. So now, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared platform links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared a discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can check the link in the description. Let's now talk about the closing first. So here 45.40 is the closing here. The direct support is 45.25. Direct resistance is 45.50. After direct support, there is a support of 44.97 and then 44.78. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 45.68 and 4600. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So do mark these levels as well on your chart. Also, if you think these prop firms has a very strict rule, then you can also open your live funded account. How you can open your live funded account and also join a premium membership? For that, you do contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you how you will be added to a premium membership where I will share my own trading setups, and if you're interested, you can use these same setups on your chart as well. So now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So now let's talk about my opinion in XAU USD, that is gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive closing in this range, which is 45.50 to 45.68. Even I will thinking of moving to the 4600 as well, because it is a psychological number. Once 45.50, which is a direct resistance, gets breached with a 4-hour one-day candle closing, there is a first target of 45.68 and then a great target of 4600. Then I will wait for a overall 4600 target as well. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 45.25 gets breached and a 4-hour one-day candle gets closed below this. Then you can go for a short till this level, which is 44.97, and wait for a breach of this level as well, so that 4-hour one-day candle gets closed below this. Then you can go for a target till this level 44.78. Overall, my expectations bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.